So, I'm on top of the bus. It is time to sand. Hi, car. It's time to sand. I'm gonna have to lower the solar panel off the bus that I've had charging the battery on the bus. And we're gonna try and get the roof sanded today and hopefully painted. We'll see. We'll see what happens with that part, but we're gonna get it sanded and get it prepped and ready. So let's get to work. All right, dudes. So the roof is sanded. I am currently going to get some masking tape, masking tape? Painter's tape, whatever it's called. And some plastic also to tape off the whole side, because the whole roof of the bus from right above the side windows all the way to the top are gonna be painted white. So I need to get all that to do it. I'm not gonna be doing it today. I'm gonna take the rest of the day to relax because this is the first day in a while that I had off. So yeah, I guess I'm just gonna go get the paint. And not the paint, the tape and the plastic to tape it off. Hopefully this weekend I can get the roof painted completely, and then we'll work on other things. Let me get to the store, get the things that I need to get, and then the next time I'll see you is probably this weekend. So like 2 to 3 days from now. So let me go get this done. Hey guys, so it's been like about 2 weeks since I've actually worked on the bus. Probably most of the footage you already saw is me sanding the bus, and that was like about 2 weeks ago. But one issue that I had lately was the town that I live in is giving me issues about the bus being here and not being registered at all. I'm going to have to figure that out exactly. I'm going to be registering the bus just to kind of not have them hassle me anymore. But other than that, I'm going to continue working on the bus. Today I'm going to be painting the roof. So most of the stuff that you're gonna see today is me painting the bus. So I'm gonna finish gathering everything I need to gather and put on some music so I can just kind of jam out while I'm working and get to work. So, see you on the roof. Oh, I took off that little vent on the roof, and it's literally just a vent, an air vent. That's all it is. Like, I can kind of see into the bus. I don't know if you can see, like right over there. But yeah, that's like the driver's seat's like right up there. So I'm removing this. I have a tin sheet metal, not like just straight sheet metal. I'm going to be riveting it to the bus so that I don't have to weld it and I don't have to worry about it rusting. The back holes where the AC was, the bolts that went through to the roof, I totally completely caulked it just before. I'm gonna wait for it to dry. I'm gonna continue sealing all like the rivets and stuff. But like as you can see right here, I sealed like the little like, what do you call it? The little gap between the sheet metals on the roof. I did the same thing back there. So I'm gonna continue doing that throughout the whole thing. But I just wanted to get that vent out of the way. It was that vent and there's the light up here. I didn't finish taking this out completely yet. But I unscrewed everything. This is the wires that went to it. I pulled them from the inside and they just kind of like stripped, as you can see, or ripped off because they got stuck. But yeah, I'm gonna caulk it. I thought I was gonna have to put some tin here too, but I don't think I'm gonna need to. So I'm just gonna clean it off and completely caulk it. I resealed the emergency exits by the way, exits again. And I'm just gonna make sure that everything is sealed before I paint it. I was gonna paint today, but I was like, it would be not the smartest thing to just seal it without making sure that there's any leaks. So I'm doing the roof and I'm pulling out the windows today instead. So, let me get back to work. I'm gonna finish doing this vent. Sorry, I'm right by the road. And then we're gonna see where it goes from there. So, let me get back to work, guys. So the roof is done completely. I need to like, those little lips that come above the lights, I'm going to be painting black, but for the most part it's done. Everything's done. Yeah, it's all done. That's it all. This is the roof vent that I patched. But yeah, and this is going to be painted black, and then everything else is like, it's good. Everything else is good. The only thing I really got to touch up is underneath, like under here, to make sure it's like fully sealed and white, because if it's not white, it's going to trigger me. But I need to do the sides like one more time because I noticed it. But for the most part, it's done. The roof is done. The side is already on its way to be sanded, or it's on getting sanded at least. But yeah, looks good for the most part. Yeah. So there's that. All right, guys, I'll see you later.